Today, we're diving deep, literally, into a powerful Amazonian mud bath ritual that has been used for generations to naturally combat one of the most embarrassing and frustrating problems, toenail fungus. If you've been struggling with thick, discolored, or brittle nails, then you need to hear about this ancient secret. Toenail fungus, let's be honest, it's not just about the look, although we all know how embarrassing it can be to show your feet in public. It's uncomfortable, stubborn, and can feel almost impossible to get rid of. You've probably tried all the typical creams and ointments that promise fast results, but they never seem to really work, right? Well, there's a reason for that. Let me tell you about something different, something that doesn't involve any harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Imagine using a 100% natural trick, a secret from the Amazon rainforest, where people have been using it for centuries to keep their skin and nails healthy, and you can do it all from home. Stick with me, because in a moment, I'm going to share exactly how you can do this powerful mud bath ritual at home. But if you're eager to get started right away, check out the link in the description below to watch a short video that walks you through how to use this Amazonian trick step by step. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, what's the deal with this Amazonian mud bath? It's not just any mud. Deep in the heart of the rainforest, indigenous tribes have been using a special blend of mineral-rich clay and botanical extracts to naturally detoxify and rejuvenate their skin. And here's the exciting part. It's been shown to tackle even the most stubborn cases of toenail fungus by penetrating deep into the nails and eliminating the source of the problem. But it's how you use it that makes all the difference. There's a specific process they follow, and when done right, it can dramatically improve the health of your nails. Imagine relaxing in a warm foot bath with this powerful Amazonian mud working its magic. Sounds amazing, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Toenail fungus is so hard to get rid of. Believe me, you're not alone. The itchiness, the discomfort, and let's not even talk about how embarrassing it feels to wear sandals or go to the beach. You've probably tried to cover it up with nail polish, or worse, avoided showing your feet at all. Well, with this Amazonian ritual, you don't have to hide anymore. You can take action today using this all-natural method that's been passed down for generations. If you want to know how you can use this ritual to finally say goodbye to toenail fungus and regain your confidence, click the link in the description below. There's a short video waiting for you that breaks down how you can start using this mud bath from the comfort of your own home. And no, it's not a product, it's a natural trick that anyone can do. Just imagine in a few weeks you could see your nails transforming. No more thick yellowing nails, no more discomfort, just healthy, clear nails that you'll finally be proud to show off. And all thanks to this Amazonian mud bath ritual. So, if you're ready to stop struggling with toenail fungus and finally try something that works, make sure to click the link in the description below and learn how to use this powerful natural remedy. You've got nothing to lose except the fungus. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Remember, link is in the description. Check it out now to learn how you can use this ancient ritual at home today.